Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make crispy seasoned French fries. All you need are potatoes, flour, and a few spices. I'll show you different ways to coat these fries towards the end of this video. I'm using russet potatoes. Peel them first. Slice lengthwise, about 1/4 inch thick, then stack a few and cut them into strips. Put the potatoes into a bowl filled with water. Soak them for 15 minutes. Heat up a pan to deep fry the potatoes. I'm using this cast iron mini wok. It's small, so I don't have to use too much oil. While the oil is heating, take the potatoes out of the water and put them on a cloth. Pat them dry. Do this in batches. Put the dried potatoes in a bowl. Season them with salt, garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder. Mix it up. Now they're well seasoned. Take some rice flour and coat the fries. To see if the oil is hot, put one piece of potato in, and if it floats up quickly, the oil is ready. If it gets brown very quickly, the oil is too hot. Turn the flame down. The oil temperature should be 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, in case you're using a thermometer. Gently drop the fries in a few at a time. It'll take just a minute or two to cook, especially since I've cut them thin. These are not big, thick fries. Separate them a little when they're frying. If you coat all the fries with flour and leave them in the bowl, when you fry, they might stick together a bit. It's best to coat each batch of seasoned potatoes with flour and then fry right away. When they're golden brown, drain and place them on a paper towel lined plate. You heard how crispy they are. Now I'll make the same fries using just all-purpose flour. Dry the potatoes, season them, and coat them in all-purpose flour. Fry them up. Here is the same process using equal parts all-purpose flour and cornstarch. And now I'll use just cornstarch. These are the cooked fries coated in all-purpose flour. They're not crispy at all. These are the ones I just fried with cornstarch only. They are crispy. More fine crispy. The rice flour fries are more crunchy crispy. That's the only way I can think of describing these. These are the fries with cornstarch and all-purpose flour. They're crispy, not bad, more fine crispy. And here's what's left of the fries coated in rice flour that I made first. Everybody's been eating them, so there's not much left. These are cold, but still crispy. They have a great texture. This is really the texture you want in a seasoned fry. The rice flour and seasoning combine to make the perfect coating. I had some potatoes left, so I used rice flour and a little water to make a wet batter. With this coating, you'll get a crunchier fry. It is very good, but I still prefer seasoned fries with just rice flour. These are what I make when I'm craving fries. Soak them for 15 minutes, and they take under 2 minutes to cook. You probably already have potatoes and a few spices in your kitchen, so go ahead and make these. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe for more tasty recipes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.